Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Today we're talking about the small account challenge, trying to grow our small portfolio from $0 per month up to $1,000 per month. And I made the last video about this. I talked about core compounding, which I cannot take credit for, something that I learned from someone else. And I shared the link with you guys in the previous video, and I'll put a link in this video too down in the description below. How about that? But anyway, my small portfolio has been rocking and rolling, and I'm going to share that thing with you guys today. Right now, this is 5:45 in the evening here in China, and I'm going to record the screen, share with you what's in the portfolio, how it's been performing, and all the things that's been happening in this portfolio as of lately. So let me record the screen for you guys. I'm going to record my phone screen here. I'm holding my mic. It keeps like falling off, so I'm just holding it. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Okay, let's open up Webull. This portfolio is in Webull. I'll refresh it. As I mentioned, 5:45 in the evening here in China. This might move because this is in the pre-market there in the US, so you might see some numbers moving around. But you can see right now, this is valued at $6,035. And this was only $4,700. Now, I will tell you guys this. I did add some money. I added $300, which I'll show you this. See right there on the first of the month. I add $300 every single month to this. So now that you know that, what's going on here? This thing, so then now that you know that, I did add $300. This was $4,700. If you add 300, that's 5,000, right? And you still have $1,000 gain here, and that is because of the core compounding method I used. And also, I'm receiving dividends at the same time while the account is growing, which is wonderful. I got $412 in cash that I need to deploy into something. Let's go look at the positions really quick. Then I'll take you guys under the hood and share with you guys how this is working out so far. So you can see I've only got 2 positions here. HOOW, which is the round hill, like Robinhood ETF. It's like a leveraged one. It's not a covered call. They use a different method. That's for another video. But this one right here, I bought like 60 shares at $68. And then this went up and started going up and up and up. And I sold some of my shares and basically made about $1,000 in profit. And like I had $4,000 in this, right? And it went up to basically $5,000. And I took that money, put it in my pocket. And then now if you look at this now, I still have 50 shares and it's still over $4,000. It's actually $4,222. And they also paid me almost $100 in dividends. And I'm going to share that with you too. So this so far has been working out really great for me. If you look at my next position, that $1,000 that I just mentioned that I put in my pocket, I actually put it to work and I bought some WPay, and you can see I've got 25 shares of WPay and it's valued at $1,300 or almost $1,400. And basically I had $300 and something, like $330 in this, and that money I made from HOOW, I put it into WPay. And so I grabbed some shares of that with that money I made. So now that you know what I have, let's go see how this looks like on paper, like how this is actually performing so far. And this is a brand new setup that I just started here. I did have XDTE and I sold it and swapped it for HOOW. The timing was perfect on that. You see my price, I got in at 68.10. I got it right at the perfect time. But anyway, that might have been a little bit of luck and a little bit of strategy because I did buy in on the X date when it was already at its low too, and the X date at the same time. So I made out like a bandit there. Anyway, just record the screen on the computer. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, so here we are in the spreadsheet where I track all this stuff. You can see my 2 positions here, HOOW and WPay. You can see I've got 50 shares and 25 shares, which is exactly what I showed you. And the average cost is the same thing I just showed you in my real portfolio. So this isn't like made up numbers. I just showed this here. So on this sheet, because it's easy to see. So let's go check this out. Hey, too far. Let me get everything on the screen for you guys. Okay, so you can see HOOW, the total return is $904. And so that's, including the dividends I received, right? So without the dividends, we got 23.89%. If you add the dividends, we got 26.57%. So this is already kicking butt and taking names. WPay, I had this at a really low price, but I took that money I made from HOOW put it into WPay, and it raised my average cost, which is okay. I don't mind. Anyway, you can see this one. Market return 49, total return 63. So that's 3.68% if you don't count the dividends. And if you are counting the dividends or distributions, whatever you want to call it, we got 4.67%. So let's go check out what's going on here with the dividend log. So you can see these are brand new positions that I just started in September, but we're looking at October because this is October. So 2 days ago, or 2 days ago? Yeah, 2 days ago, I think, or yesterday. Anyway, HOOW paid me $91.35. And this pays each and every single week. So next week, I'll get paid from them again. And here, I've got $9.69 from WPay. This is from 2 weeks in a row, and that's only 6 shares. It hasn't paid me for the 25 shares yet because I added those shares on the X date when the price was low. So I won't get the money for those 25 shares until next week. So I still got that coming too, which is going to be pretty good because 6 shares just paid me like $6 some change. So imagine 25 shares, what it's going to pay. So far, for the month of October, and this is only the 9th. So actually, let's check the calendar for fun, just to see how many more paydays we're gonna get. This is the 9th. HOOW paid me on a Wednesday, I think, and WPay pays on a Thursday. No, it's Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So we're gonna get 1, 2, 3 more payments from HOOW this month, and I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3 more payments from WPay this month. So what I already have, plus 3 more payments each, so 6 more payments for the month. And we're already at, what, if I can get over here, $107.68 for the month so far. And I still have 6 payments coming. So we're going to exceed the $200 per month that I'm looking for very easily. And as the challenge states, $1,000 per month challenge. So we're on our way to get the $1,000. Out of this small portfolio that's valued at only $6,000. So can't beat it if you can pay or invest $6,000, and I'm going to make over $200 for sure. So invest over $600, and that's enough money to pay your rent each and every single month. I think that's a pretty good investment if you ask me. So yeah, that's all I got to say. I love to hear your guys' thoughts and comments and all that good stuff down in the comment box below. I'll put the link to Oracle's video about core compounding if you want to learn about that. He's the creator of it, and it's better to learn it directly from, straight from the horse's mouth or whatever, as they say, instead of through me. I just share with you how it worked for me and how I'm getting dividends on top of that method as well. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys, man. Check out the links below. Free stuff, free Discord. I got a newsletter, which I've been lazy and haven't written it. And I got some other links down there below as well. Some YouTube stuff and my book. And I don't know, just go check out everything. How about that? And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.